Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Promeet and today what you are seeing over here is not a launch of a motorcycle but the launch of a kit that Honda has come up for the CB350 Highness and RS. So there are 4 kits available for the Highness and 2 kits available for the RS variant. So let's quickly start this video and I'll tell you everything you need to know about these kits on the motorcycles. So starting off with the first bike over here, what you see is the Comfort Custom. Now this is based on the Highness, and what all do you get with this bike, as in what all do you get with this kit? Now first of all, the price of the kit is 16,500 rupees, and you get this main seat. That's a different kind of a seat. It's got better cushioning. You get a wide step. You get an engine upper pipe. You get an engine lower pipe. You get a front fork boot. You get grip ends, knuckle guards and a long visor. This is the Comfort Custom and the price for this is 16,500 rupees. Other than that, mechanically this bike remains the same. Just giving you a quick walk around so that you can see how this bike exactly looks like. And you get a backrest that looks pretty comfortable. There's a lot of cushioning available in the seat. So let's move on to the next motorcycle. So this is the second motorcycle and this is based on the RS variant, and as you can see over here, it is written SUV Custom. So this is the second kit and the price for this kit is 7,500 rupees, which is the cheapest among all the kits available over here. Now what do you get with this kit? You get wheel stripes that is matching your color, and you get knuckle guards, you get engine upper pipe and lower pipe, you get a meter visor, you can see over here, and overall rest of the things remain the same. Mechanically the bike remains unchanged, and this is how the SUV Custom looks, and this is available on the CB350 RS. And now moving on to the next motorcycle. So this what you see over here is the Solo Carrier Custom, and this is based on the CB350 Highness, and the price for this kit is 16,200 rupees. Now what do you get with this kit? Now first of all, you get wheel stripes, then you also get a single piece seat that has a lot of cushioning. It's a different seat altogether, and you have a side cover garnish that is over here. So now this chrome has been added. It's new. You get an engine upper pipe, engine lower pipe, front fork gaiters that comes along with the kit. You get a meter visor, a small visor over here, and you get a sturdy carrier for your luggage. And once again, the price for this kit is 16,200 rupees, and it is available with the Highness CB350. And moving on to the next motorcycle. So what you see over here is the Tourer Custom that is available with the Highness CB350. The price for this kit is 17,600, and what all do you get with this kit? So first of all, you can see you get the main seat. Now the seats are different, better cushioning. Also you get a side cover garnish, this chrome thing over here. Then you have a wider step for better comfort, engine upper pipe, engine lower pipe, front fork gaiters. You also get a rear carrier. It's a pretty strong and sturdy carrier, and you can hang your panniers over here. You also get knuckle guards and you get windscreen over here. So this is how the Tourer Custom looks like after the kit is on. And once again, the price for the kit is 17,600 rupees. And now let's move on to the next motorcycle. So this what you see over here is the Cafe Racer Custom, and this is how the motorcycle looks like. Now the price for this kit is 17,500 rupees, and what all do you get with this kit? Now first of all, you get these wheel stripes that match the color of the motorcycle. You get a front headlight cowl with this transparent visor. You also get an engine guard, you get these stripes, and you get a cowl at the rear. This misses on one thing is the Cafe Racer handlebar, but still it gets a short handlebar and it does not get a chrome handlebar. So this is how the CB350 RS will look with the Cafe Racer Custom kit, and the price for the kit is 17,500 rupees. And now moving on to the last motorcycle, and this is the last motorcycle, that is the Cafe Racer Custom. Now this is again a Cafe Racer Custom now, but this is available with the CB350 Highness, and this is slightly different than the Cafe Racer Custom of the RS version. So the price for this kit is 22,200 rupees. And what you get with this kit, starting off with the front end, you get these wheel stripe, you get this front cowl, transparent visor, a single seat, Now this is available with a single seat, and this looks absolutely fantastic. Once again, a few things: engine upper pipe, engine lower pipe, front fork gaiters are standard end grips, and you get this chrome garnishing over here. So this is how the CB350 Highness will look after the Cafe Racer custom kit, and the price for this kit is 22,200 rupees. There's one thing that I need to mention, that since this is a Cafe Racer, the handlebar should have been a 3-piece lowered handlebar. Other than that, the bike looks really fantastic. So guys, those were the kits that you will get on the CB350 Highness and the RS. Well, if you need to know anything else about these kits or the motorcycle, please mention down in the comment section and we will get back to you on that. Until then, I'm Promeet signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe.